Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Sneita, postgraduate from BBMC Karnool. Today, we report a rare case of two ocular malignancies in the same person, which is a very rare case entity. Sebaceous carcinoma, also known as meibomian gland carcinoma, is a rare, highly malignant tumor affecting the eyelid. The lesion usually affects the upper eyelid more frequently than lower eyelid because of presence of more meibomian glands in the upper eyelid. MGC should be differentiated from chalazion. We should suspect MGC when there is recurrence of swelling like chalazion at the same site, especially in elderly people. BCC is the most common eyelid malignancy, accounting for over 90% of the malignant eyelid neoplasms. Due to relatively greater amount of sun exposure, BCC has more prediction for the lower eyelid, followed by the medial canthus. Basal cell carcinoma can can have various presentations like nodular, superficial spreading, sclerosing, and pigmented basal type. Usually MGC or BCC presents isolatedly. Purpose is we report a rare case of two ocular malignancies in the same person. Case report, a 65-year-old male was referred to ophthalmology OPD from oncology department in view of swelling of the right upper eyelid, which was gradually progressive for the past 6 months. He was admitted in the oncology department for the excision of BCC of left lower lid, and lid reconstruction was done by the surgical oncology people. HP also confirmed the BCC. Regarding the right upper eyelid lesion, there was a painless bilobed swelling measuring 17 mm into 15 mm size, occupying the middle right upper tarsal area. Clinically, it was diagnosed as giant chalazion. Incision and curettage of right upper eyelid swelling was done, during which cheesy material was scooped out, supporting our diagnosis of chalazion. After 1 month, again the patient presented to us with recurrence of swelling at the same site with scanty cilia. The case was posted again and excision biopsy was done, and lid reconstruction was done, and HP was sent and confirmed with the diagnosis of MGC. Discussion: MGC has high incidence in individuals who are elderly, 50 to 70 years of age. In Asians, meibomian gland carcinoma is more prevalent than BCC. The most common presentation of MGC is a solitary eyelid nodule with generalized eyelid thickening, occasionally with cilia loss and vascularization. MGC is usually misdiagnosed as recurrent chalazion. So each and uncommon or recurrent chalazion at the same site in elderly, we should always suspect MGC and send for histopath. Basal cell carcinoma is the commonest skin cancer of the eyelid, accounting for 80 to 90% of the lid malignancies. The clinical manifestations of BCC varies from person to person. In our case, the patient had superficial spreading BCC. Wide excision, cryosurgery, and Mohs micrographic surgery are the different modes of surgeries for BCC. Usually both these tumors occurred independently, but in our case the patient had presentation of MGC in the right upper eyelid and BCC in the left lower eyelid, which is a rare presentation. This is the patient clinical picture. The first picture is the patient's initial presentation, and the second picture showing HP report confirming BCC. Third one is post BCC excision and lid reconstruction of left lower lid, and the picture showing recurrence of swelling at the same site, HPE confirming MGC, and final picture after MGC excision and lid reconstruction. This is the histopathology confirming BCC and MGC respectively. Conclusion: MGC, which has preference for upper eyelid, and BCC, which has preference for lower eyelid, are commonly in elderly people. Multiple ocular malignancies in the same individuals is usually rare, so hence we are reporting both MGC and BCC in the same individual. Thank you.